Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the card is activated and has enough funds. Check the balance online or call the number. Record the dollar amount. Next, register the card on the issuer site using your name and billing address. This prevents declines at checkout. If a PIN is required, set it now. Once done, make sure the card is on the Visa Debit network rather than a restricted gift-only format so it can be used like a regular debit card. You proceed to pay. At a store, pick Debit and enter the PIN, or choose Credit and sign. Both usually work, but PIN often succeeds when split payments are needed. For online orders, type the 16-digit number, expiration, CVV, and the billing address you registered. Mismatches cause rejections. If the purchase is larger than the balance, use split tender. Cover the remainder with a second card or cash. Make sure to check remaining. You finalize by saving the receipt and immediately checking the remaining balance so you know what's left. If the card is declined, first ensure the billing address matches exactly, the card was activated, and sufficient funds remain. Once checked, retry with the correct address or use split payment. If problems persist, contact the issuer's support line with the card number and time of the attempt. They can reset activation or explain transaction restrictions and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.